Hello, I'm Deepak and I'm going to sing a beautiful song from 1968 wonderful movie Anokhi Raat. This movie stars Sanjeev Kumar, the great one, and Zahida Hussain. Also starring was Anwar Hussain and uh, Tarun Bose, as well as Mrs. Aruna Irani. So this movie was the last movie for the music director Roshan, and the lyrics in this the song was given by Indivar. Zahida Hussain, actress, is actually niece to Nargis Dutt and Anwar Hussain. Anwar Hussain and Nargis, they were brother and sister. Also, Rakesh Roshan actually died when he was only 50-year-old in 1967, and he was father to Rakesh Roshan and grandfather to Hrithik Roshan. Also, in this movie, there is an actor named Parikshit Sahani, who is the son, who was the son of actually Balraj Sahani. So there is a lot of connection in this movie. So in this movie, uh, Sanjeev Kumar is a innocent guy who is, handles the gatekeeping for the great mansion in the small village, and he is in love with Gopa, played also by Zahida Hussain in a double role, and uh, there is a big mansion owned by Dwarka Prasad, who is wheelchair bound, but he's in big debt to a guy named Madan Lal, played by Tarun Bose. So Tarun Bose wants to occupy the house, uh, but when he sees his granddaughter Rama, that is also played by Zahida Hussain, he tells Dwarka Prasad that, look, you can keep the house and all the content inside, which are very expensive, if you let me marry your granddaughter. Dwarka Prasad refuses, but when Rama hears it, she says, I would marry because she wants her grandfather's house be saved. So then she sings this beautiful song by Lata Mangeshkar, Mehlon Ka Raja Mila. Uh, so then what happens is that there is a heavy rain pours and there is a storm, and the car, Mr. and Mrs. Rai arrive. Mrs. Rai is Aruna Irani, much younger than her husband, and they wanted to purchase items from the house, but the auction is cancelled as Rama has agreed to marry Madan Lal. Then a painter comes because it's too much rain, so he wants a shelter, and that is played by Parakshit Sahani. And then suddenly a dacoits come in, and the dacoit leader is actually Baldev Singh himself, but he's disguised in his beard, and he and his men also stay in the house due to the storm. And then gradually, Baldev Singh comes to know everybody in the house, and he thinks that Rama is not Rama, it's his wife Gopa, because they look very similar. But she refuses and says, look, I am not Gopa, I am Rama. In the end, Baldev Singh gives up to the police and is arrested, and the movie ends. Movie was good, music was very good, and this song by Mukesh is also very, very good. Ohare Tal Mile. So let's listen to this beautiful song. ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में। सूरज को धरती तरसे, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा, पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, प्यासी हर आत्मा। ओ मितवारे पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, बूंद छुपी किस बादल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में। अनजाने होठों पर क्यों पहचाने गीत है, पहचाने गीत है, कल तक जो बेगाने थे जन्मों के मीत है, जन्मों के मीत है। ओ मितवारे कल तक जो बेगाने थे जन्मों के मीत है, क्या होगा कौन से पल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में। Thank you very much.